Hey everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something a little deeper, something spiritual, something personal. But before you click away, I would like you to hear me out. This is not about blaming or labeling. This is awareness, healing, and transformation. Whether you're feeling off lately or someone has told you your energy is negative, this video might open your eyes. So stick till the end of this video. When people talk about a bad spirit, they might mean different things. Some see it as a spiritual darkness or demonic influence. Others see it more psychologically, like carrying toxic energy or unresolved emotional wounds. But generally, it means something isn't aligned with truth, love, or light, and it's affecting you and those around you. So in this case, how do you know if that energy is living inside you? So number one sign you have a bad spirit or that energy living inside you is constant negativity. You always expect the worst. You criticize, complain, and drain people with your energy. Positivity feels fake to you. You reject it immediately. So the number two sign you may have a bad spirit is isolation and bitterness. You feel disconnected from others. You always avoid meaningful relationship, and you most of the times believe people are out to get you, and you hold grudges even for years. Abba, what at all do you want in this world that one day we all leave it behind? Now, the third sign you have a bad spirit is finding satisfaction when other people fail. You're always enjoying other people's pain. Instead of helping, you rather gossip or judge. You might also feel powerful when others feel weak. Hey, you have a lot to do. The next sign is uncontrollable anger and violence. You snap quickly and sometimes you don't even know why. You hurt others emotionally or physically and feel no guilt afterward. Emotional numbness is another sign that Charlie, something is wrong with you. You have no empathy or remorse. You fake emotions to manipulate others. The last but one sign is being drawn to darkness. You are fascinated by pain, evil, or chaos. You feel energized by destructive things like violence, dark magic, or toxic control. And then lastly, you repel good things. Blessings in your life slip away. Good people avoid you. Doors close. Peace never knocks at your door. They feel temporary or uncomfortable. People aren't born with bad spirit. Something triggers it, like trauma, addiction, deep resentment, abuse, exposure to demonic or occult practices. These things open spiritual and emotional doors, and sometimes it's generational, passed down unknowingly through families. But you're not doomed. You're not beyond help. The most broken people can become the most powerful healers if they are willing to confront what's inside. So what if you're sitting there realizing, wow, I've got some of these signs? Don't panic. This is actually where the transformation begins. Confess it to yourself, because denial keeps you bound. Acknowledging the darkness, the toxic, and without excuse. After confessing it to yourself, you can also seek for spiritual cleansing or deliverance. If you're spiritual or religious, prayer, fasting, or seeking help from a trusted spiritual leader can be life-changing. In Christianity, for example, confessing and renouncing dark influences can break spiritual strongholds. A lot of spiritual darkness are rooted in emotional trauma. So counseling can help you process the wounds behind the rage and numbness. You also need to cut off spiritual or dark influences. What are you feeding your spirit? What music, shows, people, or habits are you tied to? If you want light, you need to starve the darkness. Finally, rebuild with light. Start small, meditate, pray, read uplifting godly books, or the Bible as your spiritual manual. Practice gratitude, help others. Light doesn't come in overnight, but it grows with every intentional choice. You are not evil, but if you feel like something dark is living inside you, it's time to reclaim your spirit. You can heal, you can change, You're not your past, you're not your pain, and you can choose light. If this video finds you well, hit that like button and do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel. And if you know anybody who is going through similar problem, share this video with them. And don't forget to leave a comment with any advice that will be helpful for viewers. See you in another video.